8th Street. And why Aquarium.
For the aquarium as well. New York Aquarium. New York Aquarium. What's that? You don't see the sign on the wall?
No.
Aquarium, West End. That's what the aquarium is.
Yeah. The F is on the low level. D in the N train. D in the N.
This is the mega hub right here. They got track over here, 2 tracks over here. Lower track down here for the F train. Lower track right here. This is the mega hub right here. It's always been the mega hub.
Yeah.
I remember the last time we was there, that was crazy. I remember the last 2 times we was there.
That was 2020.
The last 2 times?
2020.
So you say you're walking around for 2 minutes before we shoot up town?
Yeah.
First thing we're doing, put money on the Metro card. So,
Alright.
let me get you out first.
You got it.